We guide you through how to give Robux to people on Roblox Mobile. So the first thing you need to do is to open Roblox app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Then go to the search bar and type the username of the person you want to give Robux to. Tap their profile and check if they have a game pass or a shirt or any item available for sale because on mobile, you cannot directly send Robux. Instead, you need to buy their credit item. Once you find a game pass or item on their profile, tap it and press the buy button. Confirm the purchase using your Robux balance, and that's it. The Robux will transfer to them through the sale. If they don't have any item, you can ask them to create a simple game from Roblox Studio or via browser access so you can purchase it. Another method is joining their group if they have one and buying group funds items if available. Always double check the price before confirming to avoid mistakes. And remember, there is no direct send Robux button on mobile, so this is the only legit method to transfer Robux safely.